Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, this is going to be a nap time clean with me. During this time, Ryan and Rachel were taking a nap and I needed to get my kitchen clean as fast as possible because I had to go pick up my older kids from the bus stop. Now, disclaimer, the second part of the kitchen where the microwave was, I don't know what happened to that clip of me cleaning it, but it is gone. When I came to edit it, I could not find it. I guess it was not recording when I was working over there. So you're not going to see that part in this video, but I'm sure it will become dirty again, so I can do it again at another time. I'm not going to talk through this video. I'm just going to play some music and hopefully get you guys motivated to get your kitchens clean during that time. You also will see Ryan wake up, actually, and come on in and see what I'm doing. With that being said, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! During this time, I was sweeping my floor. I was watching Ryan because I did not want him to knock down my tripod. I had my camera on it, so I was like doing a million things at one time at this point. This is a Shark steam mop that I've had for a long time. I kind of forgot I had it. It was back in my laundry room, and I actually have bought a Swiffer since then. And I also used my regular old-fashioned mop, but I was looking to get something easier, but then I was reminded that I do still have my steam mop, and I like to use it because it does dry the floor faster. I don't like using it for like heavy messes. I like just to use old-fashioned mopping bucket, but for this, especially with Ryan walking around, I just opted to use the steam mop just to give it a nice clean over with the steam so it can kill all those germs and all that stuff. So yeah. And here I am spraying some disinfectant on everything, especially with Ryan being sick. I try to do that all the time. So that's it for the video. Like I said, sorry that you were not able to see me clean the oven and the microwave and that other counter there, but I did, as you can see. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.